Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use named ranges in formula. Let's begin. This is my data for today. You can see it here. I'm going to convert this data first in ranges. I'll go to option formulas, create selection, and I will select top rows. OK. Now this information is converted into named ranges. Here I want to use some formula to sum up the salary package, and here the packages information here, both add of them. I will just write here equals to annual ANN. You will find here annual salary. I'll just select it plus pension. You will see here pension is available. Just tab it and you will see it here. All information has been selected, and just press enter, and all the information you will get it by information that selected here in each column, each cell as well. Here I am going to sum of the information. I will just select equals to sum tab, and just I will write the package PAC, and the down you will find, and just press tab button and it will give you the calculation. The same for the annual salary average. I will use average formula here, and I will just write here ANN, and you will find the annual salary, and it will give us this date. I'm looking the maximum minimum review rate now. I will use here min formula, and I will select next review. It's the date is there, minimum, next review. You will see all information has been highlighted in a blue. Just press enter. Most recent start date equals to last review. I will just write here max formula, max, and I will type here now last. You will find the last review is there and the date is available. So it is helping us in a very easy way to make the calculation, and it's very handy tool to use in different sheets. Everywhere you can use it. See here in this column I use this value multiplied by pension contribution. It is giving me direct method to extract my data. If you can see it here, if I will select this value multiply by pension rate, this cell is defined as pension rate. You will find it here, and it is red highlighted. It is selecting that one. The color is same. I am just going to enter in, and I will just fill handler use, and information has updated accordingly, and this information automatically is updating. So it's a very handy tool. Use it in your daily routine. Whenever you are starting to prepare your data, use this method, and it is very handy. Thank you very much.